guys, welcome to my kitchen. And so today I'm going to share some Winnie Mix or cereal mix recipe with you. Okay, so please, before we go on, if you have not yet subscribe, like and share this video. And so I have these ingredients available that we are going to use. Very simple, and you are going to love every bit of it. And so I have this seeds and nuts, almond nuts, walnuts, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds. I have 2 of this. Each seed or nut is 2 of the cup I just showed you. This is roasted corn. I have 4 cups of this. This cup is measured half cup in Ghana. And I have rice also. I have 2 of this. Yes. And then I have roasted peanuts. That one too. I have 2 of the cup. And I'm also going to add organic oats to it. Yes, and that one to have 2 of the cup. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to add everything together in a bowl. Mix it together very well. And so please, if you're watching me and you have not yet subscribed, I beg you to consider subscribing, like and share this video. Very, very important and necessary. Okay, so we are mixing everything together, and then I'm going to use my grinder for this, and I'm going to grind it little by little till I finish grinding everything. Okay, so this is what we have. It's not very smooth, so we are going to sieve it or strain it to get the smooth part from it. And I'm going to use this plus my whisk to aid it so that it will be fast for me. And so please do well to share this video for me. Leave a comment. You can use any seed and nut of your choice. You can use any cereal meal of your choice and add it. You can add soya beans to it. Just adjust it to the way you want. If you don't want some of the ingredients that I added, you can decide to omit it. And so we are mixing everything. We are trying to strain it very, very, very well. So do subscribe, like this video, share and leave a comment. It's very necessary. It helps this video to go far. It helps YouTube to suggest the video. But if you watch and you don't like, you don't share, you are not helping the channel to grow. So please do that for me. Okay, so this is the end result. You see, very, very smooth. Yes, give this a try and you're going to love it. The most important thing is you have a grinder. If you don't have a grinder, just take it to the corn mill side. Okay, so this is the remaining. You can decide to grind it again and then strain it. So you can take it to the corn mill side and then they will grind it smoothly for you. And so this is it. You can use this for your breakfast, for children, adults, anyone at all. It's very healthy and nutritious. So hey, give it a try and you are going to love it. Like this video, subscribe for me. Bye bye.